Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So in this one we are going to check out this amazing object detection application which is built on Python. So it's a simple program which is there in the backend and it's running, and what it is doing, it is currently controlling my camera. So there is a library called OpenCV that has been used for accessing the camera of the device, and because of which this frame is coming and you can see me in that frame, right? So it's able to detect me right now, and there is YOLO v3 weights that we've used in the backend with which we are able to do this object detection thing right now. Okay, now what all things this application can detect, that's what I'm going to tell you and I'm going to show you. Besides that, we will also take some part of the coding things, coding related things in the later section of this video. So stay tuned with me, don't skip any part of this video. So as you can see, the camera is on and it's able to detect me, and it shows a rectangular window on the top of which it shows person, right? So it's absolutely correct. Now if I have some objects with me which I'm going to bring one by one in front of the device's camera, and let's see whether this application will be able to detect each of them correctly or not. So the first thing which I'm going to bring is a toothbrush. Let's see what the application will detect it as. Okay, so it has detected it correctly. As you can see, right, it is showing that it's a toothbrush. That's absolutely correct. And let me bring a bottle in front of the camera. So it's going to be a transparent bottle which I'm carrying right now, and let's see what's going to happen if I'll bring it in front of the camera. Yeah, so it's able to detect it correctly, right? Let's see if I'll bring both the objects, a bottle and that toothbrush, in front of the camera, whether the detection will happen correct or not. Yeah, so now also it's able to detect both the things correctly, right? So it's showing this toothbrush as toothbrush and bottle as bottle. Okay, I have couple of more things with me. Let's see what it will show. Let's see what it is going to tell us for this. So it's a keyboard, and yes, it is able to detect it correctly. Right. So this is what I wanted to show you in this lecture. Now let's talk about the coding part, how this application is able to detect the things correctly. So I'm going to start right from the beginning. So as you can see, this is what we have done over here. We have used this library called Ultralytics, which is a part of YOLO, right? Then there is OpenCV which we are using, right, for accessing the camera. Here we are, accessing the camera. Then we are setting the width and height of this window, in which you see all the objects and everything. Then we are using this YOLO weights thing, okay, and these are all the labels that we have defined over here, based on which we are seeing the labels on the top of the rectangular boxes which comes when we bring anything in front of the camera. Then if I come down here, we have all the coding part. So this is the code which is creating a rectangular window around the object which comes in front of the camera, right? And then here we are checking the confidence level, we are then checking the class name, right? And that's it, right? So it's a very simple code that you guys can also write, and you can also learn object detection in real time. Fine. So this is it from my side in this lecture. Thank you very much for being there with me in this tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. Please do not forget to like and share the video in your group so as to make my channel reach the maximum students possible. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day ahead.